Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled When a Sqauter Tries Intimidating the Police by Body Cam Watch.
On February 3rd, 2023, officers responded to a call about squatters living in a vacant apartment.
How the hell they do that? It ain't got no AC, no furniture.
There?
Yeah, I say yeah, because...
Oh, you know what? The apartment people be keeping the AC on and electricity on until they get the apartment sold.
They rolled it and pick up the keys, so there shouldn't be anyone.
Damn, she got a lot of attachments on that gun.
It's locked.
It's locked out? It's not locked. No, it's not locked. Somebody just came to the door.
Fort Myers Police!
Let me just watch the time.
Come to the door!
Fort Myers tells you everything you need to know about this video. It's about to be a ghetto mess.
Charlie 65 Market Street.
Come to the door! Open the door!
Open that door!
Open.
Motion in the background.
What?
Doesn't matter. Open
You're
up the door.
saying that there's nobody supposed to be in this unit. According to housing, nobody's supposed to be here.
She dumb as hell. Why would you
This is my
answer?
cousin's house.
Oh,
Listen, this is my cousin's house. She told me I can stay the night over here. She's a white girl. Her name is Rachel.
Alright. Do me a favor, don't put your hands in your pockets. Do you have anything illegal on you? Cause
No, sir.
Why her nose got white residue? What the hell was she in there doing? And why you got a hoodie on? It's hot as hell.
I can already smell weed boiling out of the house, which is why I want to.
Oh,
Is there
no.
gonna be anything illegal inside the house?
No, sir. You can go in.
Look at her nose. She got something illegal on her nose.
Why you got...
Bathe. I bathe. Powder.
Oh, okay.
Just go ahead.
What,
You got some.
what type of powder?
Go in.
Anybody else in there with you?
My cousin.
Where are they at?
Where's she at? Just stay
Stay here.
A freaking bike?
Got her.
Let me record y'all. 'Cause y'all just right here.
Fort Myers Police.
You gonna record them of you?
no.
No, that's right.
Yes.
Hey,
What?
I said no. Stand over here. Thank you.
Don't
Until
touch
we're
me
done-
now. Don't touch me.
Until we're done with this investigation. You'll go in cuffs.
Stay right
All right, I ain't going nowhere. You don't need to pull out no gun because there's only a boy up there. Don't shoot.
Okay.
Why you searching me like that?
No one searched you. You're not
Okay.
going anywhere. I told you you're not going anywhere, and
Okay,
that's
and
what I
I'm
said.
finna call. I'm gonna call.
She dumber than a box of rocks because she ain't even pat you down. They only search you. Never mind.
Record you. 'Cause
That's
I know
fine,
your
I'm
blood.
recording
I know.
too.
Yeah, record. Yeah, they said that my cousin don't know that. Well, they.
A boy, that's a grown ass man. That's a grown ass man. What's that? Roscoe from Martin Lawrence? He was a grown ass. That's a grown man.
The rent office don't know that we're in here, but they clearly do because she
No, they
just
don't.
left like a week ago.
They don't.
They just changed the locks. They just changed the locks.
Listen, I'm telling you, they're saying no one
Okay,
is in
can we
here.
get our stuff and go then?
In a minute, when we're done.
Okay, that's it. That's it. There we go. All right. There's no one else in there. Y'all doing all that for what? You standing right here in front of me.
No,
And she's putting her hands on me, so I want to know her name.
You're not going anywhere.
I didn't say I'm going nowhere, but you pushing me like you're gonna do something.
I can put you in
I'm-
handcuffs and take you to jail for trespassing. You tell me what you want to do.
I ain't never seen somebody get mad for being somewhere that they ain't supposed to be. That's some shit right there.
Fort Myers Police. Anybody upstairs, announce yourself now.
Stay right there.
She arrested me like pushing me like what wrong with you?
Yeah, but you can't talk. Listen, just
So what,
chill,
bro?
bro.
She pushed me. I don't give a what she talking about.
Why they live so dirty up?
Don't ever put your hand on me, yo.
Shush.
Oh. No bed, no nothing. What the hell?
Let me record this.
Please do.
Man, let me see. Let me call my mama. Sit right here. Don't go nowhere.
Everybody down there?
I know, sir. I don't. I'm on mine. Bitch. She put her hand on me like she know me.
Cleared.
I mean, shit, you gotta learn how to listen, babe.
Lucky you got big boys in front of you. I'll whoop you.
Okay,
in front of 'em.
all right.
What you gonna do?
I think we're gonna hit them both for
No,
trespassing.
I ain't do
That's
that.
what I think we're gonna
I
do.
live out here.
All
You
I
gonna
need is
trespass
there's
me?
housing out here.
No, she gonna trespass.
That's it.
I have a set rule there.
She can't trespass me because I live out here. Because she gonna put her hand on me, bro. Tell that why she put her hand on me, bro.
Stop. We don't
Why
need all
whoop
this.
her?
We don't need all this. You're not whooping anybody. Relax.
Because she flagging, bro. She pushed
Relax.
me, bro.
What is all over you?
What is she talking about? What is flagging? I'm lost. Can we speak English?
Powder, bro. Powder.
What?
Cause I be like, it be hot and I be chasing.
Just relax, okay?
Cause she gonna put her hand on me, then she gonna tell me, oh, you keep talking, I'm gonna put you in cuffs.
Can you have management come over here just so I can verify before we take him to jail?
We'll
Can you
figure
go
all
get
this
my,
out.
can you go get my bag,
Right
please?
now, we're not getting anything.
My bag is on the floor.
Okay.
That's they property. You're not even supposed to be there.
But right now, we're not getting anything.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fine.
Just
I
give
don't
us-
want
just give
no
us a
smoke
second.
with her, but she just.
You want to sit down? You want to sit on the front of my bumper?
Yeah.
You got ID?
No.
Did you already give the other officer your name?
My name is YG, bro.
Like
YG
400.
Brown.
Like YG?
Yes, bro. I ain't do nothing, bro. That's flag. I need my bag up out of there with my school
Like
bag.
Yankee Golf?
Yes.
And last name Brown?
Yes.
Like that's your given name?
Yes.
What's your date of birth?
Huh?
What's your date of birth?
02/27,
What year?
1996.
We're gonna have a seat on my bumper over here, okay?
Why we gotta go out and get your car?
We're just keeping you two separated.
How y'all gonna trespass me when I live out here?
And it's YG?
Yes.
You have a Florida driver's license?
I'm a whole minor. I'm only 15, bro.
How? Ain't no fucking way. Hell no. 15? You look about 30.
And you were born in 96?
Yes.
That's not a minor.
If she was born in 96, that means she's 4 years younger than me. I'm 34. Y'all do the math. This girl here, boy. Dumber than a box of rocks.
Well, to me, it feel like a minor.
Okay.
Y'all look at me as a minor.
You're an adult.
Yeah.
I haven't treated you like a
Well,
kid, have I?
she full force, bro.
Hey.
Like I was, don't come over here. Don't
Listen.
tell her to get out my face.
No,
bro. I
stop.
don't wanna talk to
Stop.
you. Keep coming over here.
Well, she's our supervisor and she's supervising the city.
Ooh, you gotta be one stupid mother to beef with the supervisor.
She will. You need to relax.
Don't touch me.
Stop it. You escalating this isn't going to help the
I'm
situation.
chilling, bro. I'm sitting on your car, bro. You see me?
This lady said she a minor and she 30 years old. Or 29.
Why she come way over there? He's on in. Like, come on, sis.
I'm just waiting, like I told you. I'm waiting for the housing unit to get here.
For what, though?
So then she can give me all the information that I need. She can tell me who's supposed to be here and who's not supposed to be here.
Hello.
Told me or not. Bro, I just told you I was helping her move, bro. I was getting my last little bit of things out of there that she left for me to get, you know? It's not like I'm staying up in there or something, no.
It looked like it.
Well, I'm telling you, okay.
Once we figure everything out, I'll let you know what's going on.
Okay, that's all that needs to matter, man. I don't care about all that, bro. I just got here from school, bro. I just got off the bus. I go to Coronado, bro. I don't have time.
It must have been the short bus, cause that's how you acting.
I ain't doing nothing wrong. Huh? I'm picking up the last little bit of stuff. You see the trash at the door. You see me getting the stuff up.
And when we verify this through the housing, then no big deal.
She don't even know me. Them people up there don't know me, bro.
So why the fuck is you in their house?
On this property, she knows everybody. Not saying she knows you personally.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Not
saying.
saying she knows you personally,
But she didn't see me.
but she knows this property and she has a tenant list. We don't.
Well, can I get my bag with my
We'll work on that. I told you we're working on that. But right now, we're not.
This is crazy, man. That's so crazy.
Nobody else is inside the house, man?
No, everybody gone, bro. They was getting their stuff. That's what we're doing.
Is this guy related to you?
Yes, it's my cousin.
Is your cousin?
Yes, sir.
So who's this girl? Relation to you?
I don't even know her.
Okay.
She just said that's her cousin.
You guys are hanging out, so that's why.
Because we was the only two people left in the mother.
Okay.
I don't stay there at all.
You mind just keeping your hands out of your pocket?
It's my phone. That's all I have.
If you want me to pat you down, more than welcome to keep your
Yeah,
hands in
you
your pocket.
can.
Okay. Just face my car. Just put her up, face my car. You have nothing gonna poke stick me?
No.
Place your hand in the car.
Let me call my Instagram. Just gotta stop. Y'all harassing me. I feel harassed. Especially a man searching me down there. That's inappropriate.
Safety pat down.
No, it's inappropriate. Especially a woman. She should have did it. She's a woman. I'm a woman.
Well, you just told her to got your face, so I'm pretty sure she didn't feel like doing it. She's supervisor. She watched, so.
At the end of the day. So I feel
It's not against our policy to
it doesn't matter.
do a safety plan.
So if I want to sue you guys, I can go ahead and do it.
You're right.
You're a man.
You're right. Yes,
I
ma'am.
feel like you're searching me for no reason.
No searching.
No, you just did, and you're lying in my face.
Absolutely not. I just hate to cut that.
All right, I'm done talking to you.
Perfect.
Thank you. I'll just wait for the next officer to hit.
You gonna actually shut up?
This got to stop. And I'm pressing charges on you. So get ready. I'm writing a whole report. And just for that, I want to press charges on her too as well. So it doesn't matter. This thing got in now.
Somebody always want to press charges when they getting arrested. Ain't that the shit?
Searching me for what? Like I have something on? Like you said I have a gun? What? No, gun for it. Do you see a gun on me? Obviously, you just see me look like I got a school, right?
I know, I can get home, bro. I'm not.
Just hang tight for us.
I know, but I'm
The housing just got out here.
I ain't trying to get nothing over here.
We're gonna find
He said, "I got a home."
out what's going on.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Well,
I'm talking about an apartment that's supposed to be vacant, right?
Yeah. Why are you in
Why
it?
you still got me sitting here?
Because you were in it. You were in it.
I was what?
In it.
I understand that, but
You were
I
upstairs.
don't have nothing to do with this.
But you were upstairs in the apartment.
You're right, because I want to know why the police were out here. So
So why were you in there in the first place?
I came upstairs and looked and then came downstairs.
Yeah.
I don't have to hide from y'all.
Well, you guys hid because somebody locked the door.
No, I didn't hide.
Okay. Well, somebody locked the door.
Then you got Goldilocks up your ass, and I'm about to beat that whole ass, and you telling me don't do it because they don't even know what y'all doing. You better ask them to love you. Just know that. When you go back to the police department, ask them. They'll let you know who the f*** I am. Look, that
I don't think nobody know who you is, Jelly Roll.
you go right there, look at mine, look. And that's exactly who be out here. Like, I was getting my things, like, come on, bro, and then this hoe, she sit over and look at her ugly ass. She's so ugly. She look like she don't matter. And you come out, well, I smell weed. And like last day, I smell weed. You can smell weed all you want. You choose no weed in there?
How'd you get over here today?
I was actually at my cousin's house yesterday.
Okay.
At another cousin's house over on in Cypress Court.
Gotcha.
I should hit you in your shit. That's how I feel. Real shit. I should just spit off your shit and go to jail, bro. And rock out in your back seat and beat your ass and jump out. Straight up, show you how I'm living. Real shit, how I feel.
I don't think that's gonna bode well. That guy is not a small guy by any means.
Bro. On my jig 7, bro. Put you in the M.
Ain't no way somebody got you pregnant. Ain't no fucking way. I know you lying. We just fucking anything these days, huh?
You're in my territory. You're in my hood. So you better be on all alert. Watch you at all times. You better tell your homeboy about me. Because I'm a ruthless ass jig. Remember that. Remember my face.
A 29-year-old or a 30-year-old woman referring to herself as a jit, and she's washed. She's cooked. Stick a fork in her. With this type of mindset, when you still in your 30s, when you about to be in your 30s, or you about, yeah, it's trash.
Real shit. Don't ever forget. Next time you see you say, oh, that's my G. I'm not the she's a crazy bitch.
Hey, can you do me a favor? Put her in handcuffs.
No, man, no. How y'all gonna, hold on.
Nah, I thought you was gonna bat him in his shit. Then you gonna go to jail and go crazy, show him how you get down.
What I ain't do nothing.
Turn around, right? Your back.
I ain't do nothing.
Relax. Your back.
What I did.
Don't fight it.
Can you come get my phone, Jig? Get in
Let
my
go.
phone before you break the phone, bro. Stop. Cause they ain't even do
What the hell is that on her thumb? Is that herp? Jeez.
Please stop tensing up.
But what you
Stop tensing up.
I'm asking you to
Well,
stop
you put
tensing
me in
up.
cuss first, sir.
Go ahead and stand.
Do not resist.
Jail, man. Hey, what the hell?
Relax.
And I ain't supposed to be going to jail, bro. I ain't getting in y'all phone, so don't touch me.
Stop.
Did you get my touch on my phone?
If you getting handcuffs put on your wrist, you definitely going to jail.
What?
And he stays with you.
Read me my rights. My camera's still on. Read me my rights.
Yeah.
Henry, read me my rights. But you put me in handcuffs for your friend told me to? Your friend told me to? Your friend told me
Stop moving around.
Cuz, like, come on, bro. Then you putting that man in jail too, cuz we ain't even do nothing.
Put that down on you, okay?
I didn't know they already. I said I didn't know they already. I told him to. Oh!
I understand.
And
but
the
I
threats
didn't-
to law enforcement, she's gonna add that tack on there too.
What? Who, me?
The fact that she can sit there and talk to the officer and go through his Pockets, that was pretty spectacular to watch.
What? Like, okay, what am I going to jail for?
We're gonna figure that out, right? You're not supposed to
Trespassing?
be here, right?
But I don't know. Like, yeah, I came up here to visit.
The only reason why you're not supposed to be here.
That's
Do you have anything on you before you get
I want to have abs like that.
to jail?
no.
That's all it is.
Check pockets.
Man, that man already checked my pockets, bro. You better move.
Go
Not
ahead.
with my feet in, cuz.
Go ahead.
Don't touch me.
Ma'am, I'm gonna ask you to
Man,
step
this
inside
is
my car.
crazy, Henry. Like, real shit, Henry. Like, you flagging. Can you
Keep
get my
stepping.
phone, Henry?
No, ma'am.
My man, bro.
What is flagging? Like, I'm still lost on that term.
And then when I get out, I'm gonna beat that Chico ass over there too. Watch. I remember you, Chico. You can't hide, ho.
Yeah.
You gonna be right back in the back of that cop car. You gonna go to jail for attempted assault on a police officer, and it's gonna take a long time to get out. And they probably gonna do something to you dirty.
There's 6 trespasses here. Approximately 6 trespasses here he has.
Okay. He said he had one from 10 years ago.
He got 6 and a couple arrests on this property.
Do we want to NTA him or take him to jail?
Oh, she's probably getting threats on law enforcement. So
Oh, okay.
they're both going.
Okay, they're both going. Sure. Okay.
I guess they've been breaking in here quite often, according to not just the neighbor, but management. But that's why they came to change the locks on Tuesday.
Talking about she got this hood. How you breaking into somewhere? You supposed to be owning it.
Because the neighbors were like, "Hey, breaking in here." So they said that the tenant probably has not lived here for quite some time, but on behalf of the housing authority, they wish to press charges for the trespass.
As they
This is my
should.
warning, so let me go.
So is this your real name?
Yes, let me go, please, sir.
Please, what's her real name? We want to know, like Joe.
All right. If I find out that this isn't your real name, you're gonna get additional charges.
I know. Can you please let me go, sir? I have kids. I have a wife, bro. I have a girlfriend, bro. You don't have to do me like
Oh, when she said her jit, she talked about her girlfriend kids. That makes sense.
that, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, it looked like the girlfriend left her ass and said, you know what, I can't do this no more. I'm going, and just got her stuff and left.
do anything wrong but record you guys. And y'all getting mad because I recorded y'all? And I'm selling that white lady out because she pushed me really hard and I stumbled, bro? So you
You ain't stumble.
will let a bitch push you like that, bro? Without getting mad? Hello? Henry, you got
Give
my
me a
back?
second. I'm on the mic. Transporting one female to LCJ. Starting's 24.
So why he ain't going to jail and I'm the only one going to jail? Hello?
You know, you assume a lot.
How do I assume a lot,
You
sir?
assume a
I'm
lot.
scared. Sir, I don't know what you guys are going to do to me,
You weren't
sir.
scared
That's why I
earlier when
started
you were
recording you.
You weren't scared earlier when you
I
threatened my
was scared,
supervisor.
bro.
You were threatening me. You called my...
You know, but that's what kids do, bro.
Well,
that's what us adults do
that's-
too, you know.
She keep referring to herself as a kid. It's killing me, baby. You was born in 1996. What do you mean as a kid? You ain't no kid. I almost, yeah,
That's not okay.
I almost
It's
said
not
something.
okay, and I know, and I apologize. I was about to apologize, but you guys just went out the way and just wanted me to
Now she turned into a white woman.
go to jail for
We're
no
past
reason.
that point. You are going to jail, ma'am.
Come on, sir. You have to do me like that, Henry. I thought we were better than that, Henry. And I sat in front of you and I chilled the whole time.
She gotta be a Gemini. Them people be having multiple personalities. You don't know which one you gonna get.
Henry, and you still taking me to jail for some bullshit, bro.
Yes, ma'am. You are going to jail because of your actions today, not mine.
I didn't even
And you kept breaking in there.
do anything, Henry.
And
Come on.
I'm telling you, if you're giving me a false name, because they are going to fingerprint you, if you're giving me a false name, I'm going to put that charge on you as well.
I don't care about no extra charge. I did
You going to jail?
lie to you. So what? Who cares? I did. And I'm telling you in your face I lied. So when you get the real name, just remember me. I'm going to you up when I get out. And I'm promising you.
Hell nah. What was she charged with?
I'm gonna do you. Same way.
They read the charges off earlier. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.